construct a plane scale to show meters and decimeters and large enough to measure up to 5 meters. 1 centimeter on scale is representing 0.4 meters on ground. Find the RF and measure a distance of 4 meters and 7 decimeters. So this is a plane scale. It shows meters and decimeters. First of all, we will calculate the RF, representative fraction. So you know very well, RF is the length of a line on drawing divided by the length of the line in actual or length of the line on the ground. Here in our case, it is given this. So I am going, first of all, going to calculate the RF for this scale. So here you can see over here 1 centimeter on scale. So here I will put the value of RF is given by 1 centimeter. It is the length of line on scale. It is 1 centimeter is given. Okay. What is the actual length of this line on the ground? It is 0.4 meters. Because RF is a ratio, so convert into same units. 1 centimeter over here, 0.4 meter means 40 centimeters. So its RF is given by 1 by 40 because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay. So here we have calculated the RF. It is given by 1 over 40. Then the second is length of the scale. That is known as LOS. So it is given by RF multiplied the maximum distance to be measured by the scale. In our case, RF we have calculated 1 over 40 and maximum distance to be measured by the scale is 5 meters. So here I will put the values. So I can calculate the length of the scale as RF is 1 over 40 and maximum distance to be measured by the scale is 5 meters. If you put the 5 meters, answer will be in the meters. But here we will convert into centimeter. 1 over 40 multiplied by 500 centimeters. So this comes to be 12.5 centimeter. So when we are going to construct a scale, we will take the length of the line as length of the scale is 12.5 centimeters. So then we are going to draw this scale on the drawing sheet. We have calculated the length of the scale as 12.5 centimeter. So you take the pencil and mark over here a line that is equal to 12.5 centimeter. So now we are going to construct a scale from the given data. So I have taken this length as 12.5 centimeters. So you draw one more line at a distance of 1 centimeter. Okay. So again you draw your line that is 12.5 centimeter long parallel to this. So this is the way how we are going to construct a scale. So what is now? Then you mark, because it is given in the question 1 centimeter is represented by 0.4 meters. So in this plane scale, we have to represent meters and decimeters. So when 1 centimeter is equal to 0.4 meters, here you can see on the horizontal line, we should show this is 1 centimeter is equal to 0.4 meters. Okay. So we have to make it 1 meter because our main unit is meter and decimeter. So you can multiply this 1 by 2.5 and on here 0.4 is multiplied by 2.5. This comes to be 2.5 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay. So here you have to mark a distance of 2.5 meters. So this will represent a 1 meter. 2.5, then 5 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter, 10 and 2.5. So this is the construction of the scale. Okay. So then you mark these points over here. This is a 2.1 meter. This is 2 meters. This distance is 3 meter. This meter is a 4 meter, and this is 5 meter. So as per the instructions given in the guidelines, see over here, find the RF of the scale. We calculated this. Then length of the scale is calculated. Then the 0 mark should be placed at the end of the first main division. So here this is your first division. Here you can mark 0. Okay, 0 meter. This is 1 meter. This is 2 meter. This is 3 meter. This is 4 meters. Okay. So we mark the meters on the right hand side and decimeter on the left hand side. This I tell you. So the length of the scale is 5 meter. What according to the guidelines, we should mark the 0 on the end of first main division. These are the divisions. Okay. Then so I have written the meters on the right hand side. So 0 to this hand side, these are the meters. 0 to left hand side, these will be the decimeter. How? So I will divide this one division into 10 equal parts. For this division, you mark this over here, a acute angle. An acute angle should be marked over here. And I have to divide this division into 10 equal parts. So then you divide this inclined line into 10 equal parts. So I mark this line at 5 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts. So you mark an acute angle and divide it into 10 equal parts like this. So again you count this. First division, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to here. So by dividing this line into 10 equal parts, you write down the 0 over here. This is your 0, 1, this is 2, 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 8th division, 9, 10. Okay. So then you join the 0 to 0. Here you join this line 0 to 0 because we have to divide this portion into 10 equal parts. So then you draw the parallel line to this line to divide this horizontal main division into 10 equal parts. Okay. So with the help of mini after you join 0 to 0, then this is draw the line parallel to through this division number 1. These are the parallel lines at equal spacing. So like this, we can divide this line into equal 10 parts. From now you could draw the vertical lines like this, parallel to each division. This we have divided this first portion into 10 equal parts. That indicates the decimeters. So we have drawn the vertical lines from the points. So here I have divided this first division into 10 equal parts. From 0 to right hand side are meters and 0 to left hand side, these are the decimeters. So this is the way how we can show the meters and decimeters. Sometimes question is like this. On the scale should meter and decimeter. From 0 to right side, these are the meters. 0 to left side, these are decimeters because we have divided this 1 meter into 10 equal parts. Okay. This is the base. So now you are in the question, you have to show a distance of, as per the question, you have to show a distance of 4 meters and 7 centimeters. So that is given over the question. Now we have constructed the scale. We have to show a distance 4 meter and 7 decimeters. So from here 0 to right hand, these are the meters. Okay, you take from this 4 meters distance is from here, and we have to take a 7 decimeters. From 0 is here, you have to count like this. This is 0 decimeter. This is 2, 1, 2. You can write down here 2 decimeter, 3, 4. Okay. 5. This is 6, 7, 8, then 10. So from here you can write 7. This is the 6. Okay. This we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 7 decimeter. You take this distance vertically up. So this is, we have taken the 7 decimeters from here, 4 meters from here. This is a line which will show a distance of 4 meter and 7 decimeters. So you can write down and then draw the arrowheads. This is the length of the line that indicates 4 meters and 7 decimeters. So this is the way how we can construct a plane scale. Next question, I am going to solve this. Construct a plane scale to show kilometers and hectometers when 2.5 centimeter distance on the map is equal to 1 kilometer on the ground. Long enough to measure up to 6 kilometers. Find the RF of the scale and indicate on the scale a distance of 5 kilometers and 9 hectometers. This is the same and similar question. Now, when we are going to solve the RF, here the length of line on the map is 2.5 centimeter and it represents to 1 kilometer. Okay, so now again with the same process we will calculate the RF. So again we can calculate the RF. So again I will write over here in the second case, what is the second? First of all I will calculate RF. Again you can write over here RF means representative fraction. Okay, how much is this? 2.5 centimeter. This is the length of line on drawing. It represents how much distance? 1 kilometer. Okay, here is when we have discussed RF is a ratio. For ratio, units should be same. So 2.5 centimeter convert 1 kilometer into also centimeter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 raised power 5 centimeters. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 raised power 5 centimeters. Okay. So here these are the centimeters. Now you can take the ratio. This come to 1 divided by this 1 over 40,000. This is the RF of this. So then we are going to calculate length of scale. Length of scale here. Length of scale is given by the formula again. RF into maximum distance to be measured. So RF is given, maximum distance to be measured by the scale is how much? In this question it is the maximum, it should show a maximum distance to be measured by the scale is 6 kilometers. Okay, here you can, in the question it is given over here, the maximum distance to be measured by the scale is 6 kilometers. Okay, so here I will take this. RF is 1/40,000. Okay, multiply it by 6 kilometer, convert into centimeters. Joint should be 10 raised power 5. Okay, this comes to be 15 centimeters because I converted the kilometer into centimeters. So now the similar way you can draw a line whose length is 15 centimeter. Okay, from here you draw a line whose length is equal to 6 kilometer. Sorry, 15 centimeter. From here I mark this line as 15 centimeter. Take one more line at a distance of 1 centimeter. Okay, you join this, and then again here you should know how much length of one division. Here again, for 1 centimeter is represented by 40,000 meters. So if you multiply it with this, here division should be like this. Here 2.5 centimeter represent 1 kilometer. Okay, so here you can mark the distance as a 2.5 centimeter because we have to show the meter, kilometer and hectometer. 5, 7.5, then 10, 12.5 and 15. So these are the main divisions at a distance of 2.5 centimeters. Each represent to the length of 1 kilometer. So now you can see over there again the same process on the at the end of first main division. This is your first division. You mark the 0 over here. Then this is 1 kilometer, this is 2 kilometer, this is 3 kilometer, this one is 4 kilometer. These are the 5 kilometer distance. From here to right hand side are kilometers, from here to left hand side are hectometers. So I marked kilometers to the right hand side of the 0 and hectometer on the left hand side of 0. Now you divide the first division into 10 equal parts. Draw an acute angle over here and mark on this line a distance at 5 millimeters. So I have divided this portion into 10 equal parts. Here you write down 0 over here. Then this is second division. This is 4. This is 6. This one is the 8th. And this one the 10th. So 2, 4, 6. This is the 8th. You can write up. This one is the 8th. So now you join 0 to 0 and divide this main division into 10 equal parts. So I have joined this 0 to 0. Now you draw the parallel lines to this line to divide this horizontal line into 10 equal parts. So I have drawn lines parallel to this 0 to 0 line. So I now here this main division is divided into 10 equal parts. Now you can draw the vertical lines parallel to this through these divisions. So I mean to divide this first division into 10 equal parts. So this is divided into 10 equal parts. So 0 to right hand side kilometers, 0 to left side are these are 10 equal distance spaced hectometers. So this is 0 hectometer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hectometers. So you have to show a distance as per in the question. This distance is given as on the scale distance of 5 kilometer and 9 hectometers. So clearly 0 to right hand side, these are the 5 kilometers. You take the line from here. Okay. Then 9. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From this 9 division, you take this line over here. And you got pent over here also. This is 0 hectometer. This is 2. This is 4. This is 6, 8, and 10. Okay. From 9th division, you can take over here. So this is the distance that will indicate a length of 5 kilometer and 9 hectometer. So mark over here. This is the way how we can construct a horizontal scale. This indicates a distance of 5 kilometer and 9 hectometers. Thank you.